Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there birdies, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another little video today. This time we're going to be seeing the Greater Racket-tailed Drongo, and it's another real cracker of a bird. The Greater Racket-tailed Drongo is resident over the majority of the country here in Thailand. Anyway, this particular bird was filmed in my garden here in the western side of Thailand, and they're regular visitors to my pond every day. As you can hear here, it's a pretty noisy bird. There are two racket-tailed drongos here in Thailand, with the greater obviously being larger with a tall crest, a forked tail and slightly twisted pendants. The pendants are the final small feathers on the end of the rackets, the long thin feathers at the base of the tail. The lesser racket-tailed drongo is a bit of a smaller bird. It lacks the crest, and the pendants are maybe slightly longer but not twisted, and also thinner. Anyway, the Greater Racket-tailed Drongo prefers various broadleaf forests, secondary growth, up to about 1,700 meters. So they're mainly a lowland bird, whereas the lesser racket-tailed you'll find to higher elevations. Anyway, I'm sure you'll all agree that again it's another spectacular little bird. I hope you enjoyed this little video, again this time on the Greater Racket-tailed Drongo. And thanks to all of you that subscribed last week. We actually got a lot more subscribers last week, I think mainly thanks to a good friend Gordon, and I'll leave a link to his channel below if you want to check out his work. Anyway, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.